Hello everyone. Do you like monkeys? What's in my fridge? Let's go see. Here is my fridge. I come home from seeing my parents and there is nothing in our fridge. Like, it looks like a lot, but it's really nothing. I mean, like, we have mayonnaise in a giant bottle that's bigger than Jenna's head. Half open bottle of pasta sauce. There we go. Condensed milk. And for the really daring, garlic. Stringy bark honey mustard. That sounds exciting. Can't wait to eat that. And so I've come to the conclusion where I'm gonna starve. So I'm gonna have to go and get some food. Yeah. Upset. Kathleen. And I don't have any pumpkins, so it's really shit.